This is how you're going to use Apollo.io for LinkedIn automation. So you can use the Apollo Chrome extension to find data while you browse LinkedIn. So first step is you're going to install the Apollo Chrome extension. So for you to do this, you're going to head over to your Apollo.io website, and then from your dashboard, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then scroll down until you find the admin settings from the left side panel, or the bottom left corner of the screen. Now from here, you're just going to click on all settings, so it will take you to the settings page. Now from here, you're going to click on Chrome extension under the personal settings section, and then you're going to click on get our Chrome extension button. Now it will take you to this page where you are going to just click on add to Chrome so that this Apollo.io will be installed into your Google. So you're going to add this as extension, and then you're going to wait for this to be downloaded. Now you can just head over here, and then you can access your Apollo.io from your Chrome. Now you're just going to set this up. So as you can see, you have here several options. So you can integrate it with every thing that is in here. So you can do Apollo Everywhere, CRM, Google Calendar, Gmail, and of course, LinkedIn. So what we need is actually LinkedIn. So we can just supercharge, we can just try it on LinkedIn by clicking on try it on LinkedIn right here. And then you will be able to see this right side panel. So this will serve as your Apollo.io guide while your LinkedIn is open. So as you can see, it gave us automatically this this page. Now from here, you can use this right side bar or the Apollo window to click view or email or phone to get their data. So you can just click on save to list or save contact right here, and then add to list, or you can add it to sequence as well. This will automatically add that person to an automated email sequence in Apollo. So you have here other options which you can use, so you can access their email, access email and phone, and all of that stuff. And that's it. That is how you're going to use Apollo.io for LinkedIn automation. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.